Hey, are you keeping it simple? Most marketers don't. Most marketers out there, most business owners out there, most people who want you to buy from them tend to complicate things far too much. Keep it simple. Make what you want your customer to know so clear, so narrowly defined that they understand the basics of what it is that you do. Once you've drawn them in with the simplicity, they can ask you all the questions they need to better understand the full spectrum of what you can offer them, the details of every, bell and whistle in your product or every added feature and benefit to your service. But draw them in by keeping it simple. Draw them in with the notion that you can solve this problem. Period. Not, you can solve this problem with this, that, and the other thing added onto it and turned around 3 times and given to them every other Tuesday on a silver platter, because it complicates the message. It's too noisy and they just don't get what you're talking about. And when they don't get what you're talking about because it's too noisy, what do? They walk away, look elsewhere, buy from somebody else, because you didn't take the time to keep it simple. In your marketing, keep it simple. It's going to be effective in getting your audience to want to know more and to buy from you. Hey, this is David Baer, BaerOnMarketing.com. Thanks for watching. You have a great, great day.